Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? So currently we're in a different setting. We're in my bathroom right now. And I think that I've officially lost my mind.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
I think I lost it because today I'm thinking of just cutting my hair myself.
You don't have a better bad idea than this?
And you guys, you know what? It's because I'm desperate. Look at this. I can't be gay Wolverine forever. I cannot be gay Wolverine forever. Period. Oh! So I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna do it myself. Like literally, I'm doing this by myself. And actually I have Nick here that can help me with like the sides and the back, but I'm gonna do some cutting and try to make this bitch happen and just try to make it decent and livable. Because we are currently in quarantine, as you guys know. You can't just go out and get a haircut as easily anymore. If I give you like $2, you can take me to the fucking store. And you guys, you know, the battle between being cute and being sanitary, it's a big battle. But I'm gonna be cute and sanitary inside and cut my hair. Okay, by the way, you guys, I'm doing a little giveaway in today's video. I'm gonna be sending 3 of you guys $100 on Venmo or Cash App or PayPal, whatever you have. 3 of you guys, I'll be sending you guys $100. And I feel like it just, during this time, it's just helpful. Next set of groceries is on me. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and comment down below. And that's literally it. Please leave your Instagram so I can DM you if you want, please. But those are the only rules. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and comment down below. And that's it. That's it for the giveaway. 3 of you guys will be getting $100 from me just for being great followers and subbies. Okay guys, so as always, if you guys like this video, if you guys like me, please don't fucking watch it, you know the joke with that. But we're gonna get this bitch started. I'm scared. Let's do it. Okay guys, so first things first, I know that you're supposed to like wet your hair. My hair is officially wet. And you guys, you know what's really funny slash not funny at all and actually really annoying? I've always been really insecure about my hair. You know, I've always had really, really thin hair my whole life growing up. I got like hair surgery maybe like 3 years ago now to get more like hair up front. And it's helped for sure. It's definitely made me less insecure. But now I have a scar from ear to ear. And so whenever I'm cutting my hair, I'm always like to the barber, like, please, I don't want to show my scar because it's like I lost an insecurity to gain another one, you know? So it's super, super annoying. But I have thin hair, so it pisses me off. I have some fucking tools. This came in Zaya's kit, but I'm gonna use it for my own hair. Ooh. Yo, this might be fucked. I think you're supposed to like part your hair. Am I parting it? Is it parted? Okay, and then you part like down the side here. Oh my God. You guys, look how long my hair is. I haven't had it this long in years, maybe? Oh my God, I'm gonna part down the middle and I'm gonna look like the guy in Charlie's Angels. Hey guys. You know, I don't think this is the best idea for me to do, to be quite honest. And yet here I am, being a pendeja. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna just try it. I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna go the fuck in. How much should I cut? Like an inch? I feel like an inch is good. I just cut my own hair. How do you know that's an inch? Oh my God, this is really hard. Oh my God, this part that's missing! Should I go get a bowl? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so sweet and bowl-like. Oh my gosh. Okay, so literally, I just, whoa. Why did my faucet just go? I'm done, thank you so, it's a bowl. It's a fucking bowl. Oh my God, it's a bowl. I think I fucked up.
Guilty of having bad bangs.
I see barbers do this. Like, you know, when they cut it upwards like that so that it doesn't like, look bowly. So we got like the front part, right? So now we have to go like in sections. Like this part has to be separated, right? Like this. Oh my gosh. Let's do like that much. Hair's falling. Hair is fucking falling. I'm trying to like suction, okay? Is that enough? Like, is that, oh my God, that seems like a lot. Doesn't that seem like a lot of hair? I feel like I'm doing it wrong. I feel like my grandma always did this. I should be doing it like this. My grandma is a hairdresser, by the way. That's why I'm saying my grandma. She would be really screaming at me right now. I know she'd be screaming. Okay, so I think I've been doing it wrong. I've been going like this, cutting it down when I think I should be doing it up. What am I doing with my life? This is what I'm really scared of right here. What the fuck am I doing? Oh my God, did it cut? I heard things, but I don't know. You guys hear it, right? I think that like I need to go shorter with this. Cause look, it's not cutting anything, dude. And it could be the fact that I'm being a little bitch and I'm not going crazy with it. That could also be the fact. Maybe these are like smaller. Let's do 12. I think things are cutting. Oh my God. That was a chunk. And what I'm doing is I'm just like lifting it, like as I go higher, I'm like trying to blend, you know? Cause I can blend with makeup, but can I blend with hair? That's a whole nother fucking story. You guys, I see it getting thinner or shorter. What is that? No. Okay, let's think about this. Let's think strongly. I mean, it looks better, like it took off some hair.
Sir, no, don't fucking look at me, sir.
Okay guys, so since I'm hella scared to do the sides after what happened, I brought Nick here to help me just save the day. Honestly, he has no idea what he's doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think it's just more of like a journey that we're on together. What do you think?
It is a journey for sure.
It's a journey for sure. And honestly, I can't get mad at him if he fucks it up.
I called my barber right now though. I like
That's
FaceTime
true.
my barber because he cuts his hair too. So
Yes.
I was like, yo, send me
Kyle.
a video, picture, anything that you have of him so I could like have a little reference. So he gave me a shitty ass boomerang.
That's all we had. That's all we had. Nick's gonna be a barber after this, dude.
Oh, he's a barber though.
I also told Nick that I would help him cut his hair after too. If he wants.
I might just grow my shit out.
After this.
I might just grow my shit out. Tell me why I forgot everything.
Nicholas, don't say that! Ah!
I'm just gonna go. The fucking yo.
Oh my God, I feel like you're doing it right. I have a good feeling about
I feel
this.
like I'll be alright.
Is anything cutting? I don't feel a single thing fall on my head.
Nothing's cutting.
Nicholas!
I might just like
Okay.
start flicking the wrist thing. Bro.
Okay, the flick of the wrist.
That wrist motion
Yes,
is-
flick it like a gay.
Gay!
That sounds like a lot. Sounds like a lot. Nick! I think we should have hired guard to start. Oh my
Yeah, that was right.
So that's what I did on the other side. I was starting with the big guard and it was helping. See, I feel like that's better. Alright, don't you think? Was this our journey though? Like, I'm scared.
I don't know what.
I don't know if this is our journey. Are you flicking? I better see flicks.
How the fuck did he get this hair right here? Oh, like that.
Remember my scar. Be careful with that bitch. It already looks cleaner, doesn't it? No. What?
No,
Nick.
it's fine.
Aaron decided to join us. And I feel like Aaron has... You've cut your friend's hair before, yeah?
Yeah.
He's cut his friend's hair before too, so I feel like we'll be in safe hands. I'll be in safe hands. Aaron, I'm scared. I cut with the scissors like on the top.
Oh, okay.
I scissored a lot of it. That's why what?
I was just wondering why you looked good on the top.
Okay, I was like, that's why what? Did you do something bad?
That's why it was fucked.
What did you do? What are you laughing at
I
then?
feel like it's shorter than you usually. Like the fade is gonna have to be like.
I don't know what you're
layered
saying.
more.
Okay, we're gonna layer. We're starting at 15. We're gonna go ahead and go to 12 next, and then like we can just kind of layer and blend. You know what I'm saying? Is that a good feeling or a bad feeling? Luckily, Nick is meticulous, so it helps that he's a meticulous person, but it still scares me. The back isn't as scary. It's more the front because that's what people see me as on YouTube. That's why I'm doing this, because I felt the film.
Like it's weird because your hair is like you're cutting it, but the top layer of hair covers over it, so it's just like
Like Lord Farquaad.
yeah, like fucking no Farquaad.
¿Con agua y con jabón?
Alrighty.
Okay, guys. We're Nick, don't ever do it again. Aaron, I can see you. I feel like it's looking pretty good though. Like for our makeshift Mua shop, our barber
I
shop.
found out I was nice with the scissors.
Yeah.
So. Oh wait, it's not coming over yet.
I like fucking crack my neck. Do you feel like it's fading? Do you like that?
It's doing something.
What?
It's doing something.
Nick, you make me have no faith in you.
That's cool.
And so you're going like a little bit lower than the last one, yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, Nick's a professional.
He a barber. Or
He a barber.
He a barber.
He a fucking barber.
He a barber. Barber.
Nick's talking in cursive. You need to cut this buzzy.
Alright, so do the next come over.
Come on, remake. Oh my gosh. Nicholas, what
Look
the
at my
hell
fucking everything.
are you doing?
Fucking hairy.
This comb is for Zaya, by the way. This is not like a human comb.
And these clippers, these aren't even like.
No, these are human clippers.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, we're not using these as clippers. These are like ones I bought off eBay.
Oh.
And the clippers.
We were,
No.
like, just fucking.
These are from eBay.
Okay, someone like just starting to look nice. So.
You're lying. You're fucking lying, dude.
Find out.
Open your purse.
Find out I know how to cut hair.
Let me find out.
Find out.
Shut up, stupid.
We're going even lower now, guys. Oof. We're gonna call this scare tactics. Fear factor, if you will. Nick's blended.
Are you showing everybody the final product?
Well, I'm gonna like wash my hair and then blow dry it and then show them. Nick,
What?
you scare me. But yeah, I'm gonna show them after like this video's done. I'm gonna like wash my hair and dry it and see like what it looks like when it's dry.
Just so y'all know, not a barber.
No, neither of
Blind
us.
in my left eye.
You're not blind in your left eye. That's actually false. Nick's doing pretty freaking good for just not knowing what we're doing.
Just fucking around.
For just fucking around. The concentration. The will to survive is so strong. Yep, things are getting cut. Things are cutting. Feeling it. Checking back in soon.
This shit looks good right here.
This shit looks good, huh?
Yeah, this is good. I don't mind it. How's my scar?
Your
Scar's
scar is
like non-existent right now.
You can't see it?
Like this shit is way too thick to
I
even
think
like
it's,
look.
this is the blend that we need to work on actually.
Down for sure. Honestly, if shit goes terrible, you can just cut like a zero around and
I
go for that
can't.
new fashion.
No, I really cannot do that.
The new hipster.
What is this?
Fashion.
Okay, so Nick
Fuck your shit.
fucked you up a little bit here.
Reached my potential.
I think he's this is not bad. Like, I feel like this
Honestly,
one's
it's
not that bad.
Aaron just cut hair more.
Aaron
so
has just cut a friend hair before, so we're gonna have Aaron switch out to just kind of help me.
Okay,
Okay, yeah, it's also not talking up though. I agree.
He got his barber's license. He's straight.
No. So we're just gonna do a little bit right
What
there.
was this, Nick?
There was every number.
That was a mixture between a 1 and a 12.
Okay.
This, like, we just need
No, it's
this to be helped.
Bro, I want to cut someone else's hair. Aaron, let me cut your hair.
Alright, maybe afterwards. But-
Okay, well, like, this is what we need to focus on here.
Yeah, what is the fattest clipper?
The fattest
It's
clipper.
12. If you look like from the mirror, like at a distance.
It looks, yeah.
At a
You
distance.
squint your eye and you jump up and down, it looks alright.
Aaron, do you want me to wet my hair?
No, the hair, when it's wet, that's why it falls through the comb so easy.
Mm.
And this case needs a scissor. So it's better dry. Also, it falls through like the.
You are going so hard.
I know, I was
You're like hurting me.
You just need a long low, right?
Aaron! Just like here, like this is where it just needs to be faded a little bit better, and I feel like we'll be safe.
I just gotta go.
I won't care as much. And then just clean me up, and I'm good. We can't get too crazy because I still need to film. Right there.
It's all red now.
I know, because Aaron was going crazy.
I was trying to penetrate.
He was like-
the hair. I don't know if I'm doing anything right there.
Aaron's like smacking me. But it does feel like Aaron like feels more like he knows what he's doing in that aspect, because he's like,
I don't. But why is it so hard? Like this patch is just
See,
like...
I know, it's like. It
okay, what I ended up doing, because I got nervous, I ended up just taking the scissors and just like, just going in and hopefully blending. I think it looks better than it did before. No.
I was just like...
Don't be crazy. Okay, cool. So I think we're just gonna kind of clean up the edges now, and I think we should be you can't scare me like that! I feel like it looks better though. Like, I think we just need to clean it and leave as is because I'm scared. What are you doing?
Your shit's long right there.
Okay, he scares me, this one. He's more of a, he has a chaotic energy. Aaron's more chaotic with his energy. I need a real cut. I mean, this is cut, so this is it for me.
I'm like going everywhere. It's like...
Could you have to-
Ask Nick.
Foolish ass
Yeah,
hair.
ask Nick.
Don't you think you've had enough?
Of you?
I'm cutting Nick next.
Dude,
It's called payback.
there's so much work that needs to be done.
It's
on
called
his head.
payback.
What?
Okay, just clean me up and we'll be good. Ow.
Do you have a razor?
I have like a
To shave?
shaver.
Yeah, let me get that thing.
Nick, why are you laughing?
That shit ain't too bad.
Nick got tagged the fuck in
I got tagged for the little cleanup.
for the cleanup. What is that? A razor? This is Aaron. Oh god, this is a family affair.
That's. Oh my god, you don't have a.
Aaron, if you cut me,
Bro, that ain't my problem.
that is your problem. If you cut me,
Alright, that looks Clean it in, motherfucker. Okay.
Alright, let's get scissors and cut this
Wait,
shit.
nah, we just need a little work right here.
Okay, guys, so we are officially done. So what should look like, you guys? This is what we. My
This is what we
laundry
managed
just.
to do.
That's what we managed to do. So it's. It could be
Honestly,
so
I
much
fucked it up
worse.
worse.
It could be so much worse, truly.
It was worse, like 5 minutes.
Yeah, it
ago.
was. And Nick helped
was
it, like when we started cleaning it. It's something. It's just like, it's obviously not even everywhere, but I think that, I'm gonna have to cut that for sure. It's not even everywhere, but I think that for like their first time cutting my hair, they did pretty good. Like Nick and Aaron both did like really
Next
good.
time we'll do better.
I think you'll do even better next time, 100%. Because the thing is, there's gonna be no next time. But the thing is, they didn't do that bad. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun watching it. I know it was a debacle and debauchery, but I had a lot of fun filming it. And at least now I have a little bit of a haircut. So, woo! Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is happening. This is fucking happening right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Comment down below. All you have to do is leave a comment down below, and I'll leave more about the rules down below when it's gonna end and things like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. I thought I would show one final clip of the hair. I'm in my computer room, just what it looks like with the white backdrop. Not too bad. Okay, so I think what you do first, let me make this like somewhat even so I don't look like a fucking dumpster. I don't want to be a dumpster.
I'm showing mom this.
We're doing it!
Aaron.
My mom's being a chismosa.
I'll try to
Use
do
that
it.
one, yeah.
And then see how that
Part it like the Red Sea. Moses, you better part. Oh, it's fucked that I just fucked up. Fuck. I'm having a little bit too much fun with this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't think I'm doing this right.